If a boat goes 7 kilometers upstream in 42 minutes and the speed of the stream is 3 kilometers per hour, then the speed of the boat in still water is. Now, we need to know the basics in boats and streams topic. So we assume A as the speed of the swimmer or the ship in still water, B as the speed of the water body. So the upstream speed becomes A minus B, downstream speed becomes A plus B. Now, it is given here the boat goes 7 kilometers upstream in 42 minutes. So we are not given the speed in kilometers per hour, but we can easily get it done. So 7 kilometers is covered in 42 minutes. So in 42 minutes, 7 kilometers is covered. We want the distance covered in 60 minutes, that is 1 hour. So you can see 42 divided by 6 is 7. So 60 divided by 6, that will give you 10 kilometers covered in upstream 1 hour. So we get A minus B as 10. So upstream speed is 10. Now the speed of the stream is 3 kilometers per hour. Stream is nothing but the water body. That means 3 becomes the value of B. So basically A minus 3 is equal to 10 and therefore A is equal to 13. So the answer becomes option C.